Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9 and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first you have to slide down the upper bar, just slide twice to open it fully, and then locate and pick battery saver icon. Just like that, and from now on power saving mode is on. Then if you would like to switch it off, you just have to click on it one more time and that's it. You've just switched off power saving mode. You can also add some usage minutes to your battery through the security, so just open the security, go to the battery which is here, wait a couple of seconds because your device will scan itself automatically, and here are the all optimized options. Just click on add 17 minutes and that's it. As you can see, it resolved one battery issue and added 17 minutes to your battery life. And here we've got also the battery saver, so just go to the settings and you can activate battery saver here simply by tapping on this switcher. Then you can switch it off the same way. You can also activate function turn off when charged, so anytime your battery is more than 60% or fully charged, battery saving mode will be automatically deactivated. You can also schedule power saving mode in your device by tapping here, schedule time to switch between modes, and just pick the start hour. It can be 10 and end can be 5 o'clock. So from now on, every day between 10 and 5, battery saving mode will be automatically activated and obviously deactivated at 5 AM. And that's it. This is how you can use power saving mode in your Xiaomi Mi 9. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.